Guys, welcome back to another video. So in our quick note series we are again with one another video, and today we would be discussing about compact layouts, right? So basically, what is your compact layout and what does it do? So basically, it is your highlights panel is also called as your compact layout, as well as it tells or it controls which fields the user sees in the highlight section. So highlight section is a point at a glance section, which is the first eye-catching view for any record page for of that matter, right? So in this you could see the account name, close it, amount and opportunity owner are the highlighted details. So these details or this layout is called your compact layout. So Salesforce gives us this functionality to control your compact layout. This layout is for your desktop and this one is for your mobile devices, right? So it controls the major information that we want to display, or that would be in crucial information by looking at which we can decide about the outcome or the major details for that particular record, right? Like the amount, so it is having a good amount, what is the close date for this, right? And other necessary details, so that our agents could focus more on those deals if we talk about this opportunity object, right? Now the question here arises, like we are having different set of users with different profiles, right? Now what we want is, we want one user to have different compact layout and other user to have another different compact layout. Is this possible? So the answer here is no. We can only have one active compact layout per object per user. That means you could have you could create multiple compact layouts, but at one time only one would be active, not the others, and it would be same for all your users regardless of their profile or role, right? Now how and where to create this compact layout? So let's suppose we want to create this for account. So we would go to the account object manager for that account, and we would search in here the compact layouts. When we click over this, we could edit the assignment and we could create a new compact layout for our use, right? Now with this thing there comes certain limitations also. So we are having some unsupported field types in our compact layout. So this includes your text areas, long text areas, and multi-select pick list values. So these fields are not uh, accepted in your compact layouts while you would be creating your compact layout. So these options won't be coming, right, automatically. So it would only give those options that are supported by Salesforce. So yeah, this was your compact layouts, and these were the major questions that might be asked, but not generally they're asked, but yeah. So that's it for this video. We would be meeting in another video, and if you like this video, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks and have a great day.